Want to track exactly where your ad traffic comes from and how each click performs? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a final URL suffix in Google Ads, one of the most effective tools for detailed performance tracking and campaign optimization. First, open your browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. Click Sign In at the top right corner and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the Watch Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. This is where all your campaigns are listed. If you're new, it might be empty, but that's completely fine. We'll focus on how to properly configure your tracking for future ads. Now, click on the Watch Ads tab within your campaign. Here you'll see all your existing ads, or you can create a new one by selecting Create Ad. Choose a responsive search ad, since it automatically tests combinations of headlines and descriptions to find what performs best. During the ad setup process, you'll notice a field labeled Oz Final URL. This is the link where users land after clicking your ad. Directly underneath that, there's another field called Final URL Suffix. This is where you can add special tracking parameters that help you monitor user behavior and source data. A final URL suffix works by appending extra data to the end of your ad's landing page link. These parameters don't change your landing page itself, but they allow tracking tools like Google Analytics or any third-party platform to record detailed information about your ad clicks. For example, you can enter something like UTM ad source equals Google and UTM ad medium equals CPC and UTM ad campaign equals spring sale. This setup helps you identify exactly which campaign, platform, and traffic type generated each click or conversion. You can also add custom parameters such as campaigned or ad grouped to automatically pull values directly from your Google Ads account. Once you've added your chosen tracking parameters in the final URL suffix, also a box, double check everything to ensure there are no typos or unnecessary symbols. Even a small mistake can break your tracking and cause lost data. After reviewing, click Save to confirm your setup and finish creating your ad as usual. From this point onward, every time someone clicks your ad, the tracking information included in your suffix will be sent to your analytics tool. This allows you to monitor performance across campaigns, ads, and even keywords, giving you the insights you need to refine your strategy and increase your ROI. And that's it. You've successfully set up a final URL suffix in Google Ads. With this feature, you can now track your results more accurately, understand your traffic sources, and make smarter, data-driven marketing decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Google Ads tutorials to help you get the most from every campaign.